AKASO Brave 8. The AKASO Brave 8 boasts a rugged and ergonomic design that's tailored to the demands of outdoor activities. Its durable exterior is built to withstand the rigors of adventure, ensuring that it can handle everything from high-impact sports to underwater exploration. The AKASO Brave 8 is a versatile action camera that can capture stunning 4K 60 FPS video and 48 megapixels photos. It features a powerful image sensor and quad-pixel technology, which helps to produce clear and detailed images even in low-light conditions. Whether you're hiking through picturesque landscapes or conquering challenging trails, the Brave 8 delivers rich details and accurate colors, allowing you to relive your experiences with stunning clarity. One of the standout features of the AKASO Brave 8 is its affordability. While packed with features that rival more expensive options on the market, the Brave 8 offers an accessible entry point for those who are passionate about adventure photography but are working within a budget. The Brave 8 also has a variety of other features, including super smooth stabilization. This feature uses electronic image stabilization to reduce shakiness in your videos, resulting in smoother footage. Time-lapse and slow motion. The Brave 8 can record time-lapse videos at up to 8K resolution and slow-motion videos at up to 16x. Waterproof to 33 feet. The Brave 8 is waterproof without a case, so you can take it with you in the water without worrying about it getting damaged. The AKASO Brave 8 comes with a variety of accessories, including a waterproof case, a remote control, and a variety of mounts. This makes it easy to attach the camera to your helmet, your body, or your gear. So, let's recap. Reasons to buy: 4K 60 FPS video, 48 megapixels photos, waterproof even without a case, super smooth stabilization. Reasons to skip: app doesn't connect or work very well, battery life is far lower than advertised, appalling sound quality. Insta360 GO 3. With the release of the Insta360 GO 3, the company takes yet another leap forward, offering users a compact and powerful tool for capturing life's adventures in breathtaking detail. From its sleek design to its advanced features, the Insta360 GO 3 is set to redefine the way we capture and share our stories. The Insta360 GO 3 is the world's smallest action camera. It's so small that you can wear it on your body, attach it to your gear, or even stick it to a surface. It is so small that you can easily attach it to your helmet, your bike, or even your dog. Despite its diminutive size, the Insta360 GO 3 packs a punch when it comes to capturing stunning visuals. Equipped with a high-resolution sensor and advanced image stabilization technology, the camera produces sharp and stable footage even in challenging shooting conditions. Whether you're recording fast-paced action shots or capturing serene landscapes, the Insta360 GO 3 ensures that your footage remains steady and vibrant. In an age where speed and efficiency are crucial, the Insta360 GO 3 takes editing to the next level with its AI-powered editing features. The camera's app comes equipped with an array of tools that make it easy to create engaging and polished content. The smart editing feature can automatically select the best moments from your footage, eliminating the need for hours of sifting through clips. The GO 3 is packed with features, including flow state stabilization. Our signature flow state stabilization means seriously steady footage. 360 degrees horizon lock. Do a barrel roll. GO 3 doesn't mind. Action pod. GO 3's bigger battery shoots for 50% longer than GO 2. Join forces with the Action Pod to film for a massive 170 minutes. IPX8 waterproof. Go catch those waves. Take your GO 3 cam out of the Action Pod and dunk it down to 16 feet. To sum up, reasons to buy: stabilized 2, 7K 30 FPS video, versatile, ultra-compact design, waterproof to 16 feet, Action Pod attachment. Reasons to skip: non-removable battery. Some video modes require post-processing. Wearable footage looks unsteady. DJI Osmo Action 4. From the moment you pick up the DJI Osmo Action 4, its sleek and robust design captures attention. Built to withstand the toughest of conditions, this camera boasts a toughened exterior that can endure the rigors of extreme sports, underwater exploration, and adventurous excursions. The Osmo Action 4 doesn't compromise on imaging quality. With a high-resolution sensor and advanced HDR capabilities, the camera delivers vibrant and detailed visuals that truly bring your adventures to life. Whether you're capturing brilliant landscapes or close-up action shots, the Osmo Action 4's imaging prowess shines through. One of the standout features of the Osmo Action 4 is its dual-screen setup. The camera is equipped with a front-facing color screen and a rear touchscreen, allowing users to frame shots and navigate settings with unparalleled convenience. The front screen is especially valuable for vlogging and capturing selfies, ensuring that you always know exactly what's in the frame. Here are some of the key features of the DJI Osmo Action 4. 120 FPS slow motion in 4K. The Osmo Action 4 can also record slow motion footage at up to 120 FPS in 4K resolution, which is great for capturing fast-paced action. 4K HDR. HDR video can restore highlight and shadow details, and the 10-bit color depth mode is enabled by default. Rocksteady 3.0 stabilization. The Osmo Action 4 features DJI's Rocksteady 3.0 stabilization, which uses a combination of hardware and software to deliver smooth, shake-free footage. Waterproof to 60 feet. The Osmo Action 4 is waterproof to 60 feet, 18 meters, so you can take it with you in the water without worrying about it getting damaged. So let's recap. Reasons to buy. Solid video quality. Front and rear color touch displays. Up to 4K 120 FPS slow motion. Excellent stabilization. Reasons to skip. Smartphone activation is a strict requirement. Significant price increase. Middling battery life. Insta360 X3. The Insta360 X3 boasts a sleek and compact design that is designed for on-the-go adventures. The device's small form factor makes it easy to carry, ensuring that you can capture your experiences without being weighed down by bulky equipment. At the heart of the Insta360 X3 is its advanced imaging technology, which allows users to capture stunning 360-degree photos and videos with remarkable clarity and detail. The camera's high-resolution sensors and precision optics ensure that every angle is captured with breathtaking accuracy. The X3 has a powerful camera system. It has dual 48-megapixel sensors that can shoot stunning 7K 360 video at 30 FPS. The camera can also shoot 3K 360 video at 180 FPS, which is great for capturing smooth, high-quality slow-motion footage. The X3 has a long-lasting 1800 mAh battery. It can easily last for hours on a single charge, even when shooting high-quality video. The camera also supports fast charging, so you can quickly top it up when you need to. The X3 has a number of features that make it the ultimate 360 action camera. These features include flow state stabilization. This feature provides rock-solid stabilization for smooth, shake-free footage. Invisible selfie stick. This feature lets you remove the selfie stick from your footage so you can get clean, unobstructed shots. Shot Lab. This feature provides a variety of pre-programmed shooting modes that make it easy to create stunning 360 content. In a nutshell, reasons to buy. Massively upgraded screen, fun and powerful 360-degree, active HDR mode, slim, waterproof build. Reasons to skip. Detail processing looks synthetic. 4K videos are soft. Mobile editing app limits resolution. GoPro Hero 11. The GoPro Hero 11 Black is the latest and greatest action camera from GoPro. It has a powerful processor, a versatile camera system, and a durable design. It is the perfect camera for capturing all your adventures. The Hero 11 Black has a sleek and stylish design. It is made of durable materials that can withstand the elements. The camera is also waterproof up to 33 feet, so you can take it with you in the water. 11 Black has a powerful camera system. Despite its small, Hero can shoot stunning photos and videos. The camera can also shoot 3K video at 60 FPS, which is great for capturing smooth, high-quality footage. The Hero 11 Black is powered by the GP2 processor. This processor is incredibly fast and powerful, and it can handle even the most demanding tasks with ease. 11 Black has a long-lasting battery. It can easily last for hours on a single charge, even when shooting high-quality video. The camera also supports fast charging, so you can quickly top it up when you need to. The Hero 11 Black has a number of features that make it the most versatile action camera yet. These features include Hypersmooth 5.0 stabilization. This feature provides rock-solid stabilization for smooth, shake-free footage. Hyperview. This Hero 11 exclusive digital lens takes the 8:7 aspect ratio footage served up by the new image sensor and delivers it as a wide-angle 16:9 shot. Horizon lock. Your horizon will stay level even if the camera tilts while recording. So, let's recap. Reasons to buy. Great-looking 3K 60, 4K 120 slow motion, 10-bit color sampling. Waterproof to 33 feet. Reasons to skip. Battery life could be better. Mediocre low-light performance. And that wraps up our review of the best action cameras in 2023. We hope you found this video informative and helpful in your search for the best action camera. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more valuable content in the future. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll be sure to answer them. See you in the next one.